Once upon a time, in a village nestled between a river and a mountain, lived a clever fox. This fox was known throughout the region for his cunning ways and had earned the respect of both the humans and the animals. One evening, as the sun began its descent, casting long shadows across the land, Clever Fox found himself strolling through the village. As he made his way through the narrow streets, he couldn't help but notice a peculiar sight. Every once in a while, a shooting star would streak across the night sky, leaving a shimmering trail in its wake. Now, the villagers were simple folk, hard-working and honest, but also quite superstitious. They believed that when a shooting star fell, it brought with it a special wish-granting power. So whenever they saw one, they would stand still and make a silent wish, hoping their fortunes would change. The clever fox, ever observant, noticed their reactions, and an idea began to form in his little fox brain. He decided to have some fun at the villagers' expense, and perhaps teach them a valuable lesson about blind optimism. As more shooting stars began to pepper the night sky, the clever fox put his plan into action. He darted from rooftop to rooftop, leaping gracefully and making sure to stay just out of sight of the villagers. Whenever a shooting star appeared, he would strike a dramatic pose, paws raised in the air, and let out a mighty roar. The villagers, seeing the majestic fox bathed in the ethereal light of the falling stars, assumed he, too, was making a wish. And so they waited, holding their breath, hoping their own wishes would come true. But the fox had no intention of granting any wishes. Instead, he was having the time of his life, feeling like the king of the jungle. After a while, he grew tired of his game and decided to head home. As he slipped through a window and curled up in his den, he couldn't stop chuckling to himself. He knew the villagers would likely spend the entire night wishing upon falling stars, all because they'd seen him do it. In the morning, after, of course, making sure their wishes hadn't come true, the villagers came to the conclusion that the shooting stars weren't granting any wishes that night. Disappointed, they shook their heads and went about their daily routines. But the clever fox, feeling a bit guilty about his mischief, decided to make up for it. Over the next few days, he helped the villagers in various ways. He brought them lost items he found in the forest. He helped repair a damaged water pipe, and he even scared away a hungry wolf that had been eyeing the village livestock. The villagers, touched by the fox's kindness, realized they'd been wrong to dismiss the possibility of magic. Perhaps they thought there was something to be said for believing in the impossible. Now, who knows? Maybe the shooting stars really were granting wishes that night. After all, the clever fox was still wearing that coat of falling stars. From then on, whenever a shooting star blazed across the night sky, the villagers looked to the clever fox for guidance. They knew that if he believed in the magic of the moment, then so should they. And so the legend of the fox who wore a coat of falling stars became a tale whispered around campfires. A reminder to always keep a little room in your heart for the extraordinary. For it is in the quiet moments, when the world is still and the stars are shining bright, that the impossible becomes possible and dreams take flight. The end.